The first time I made this recipe at home, everyone was amazed. Today's recipe, I'll add 4 eggs to a bowl. I'll also add 3 tablespoons of butter. This recipe is incredible. I'm sure you'll be surprised by these ingredients. I'll mix all the added ingredients very well. It's a simply amazing and delicious recipe. Make it at home and come back to tell me what you think. Once I reach this consistency, I'll add 2 cups of condensed milk. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Folks, after that, I'll mix all the ingredients in the recipe very well again. Condensed milk is one of my favorite ingredients to use in recipes. Look how good it's already looking, and by the end, it'll look even better. Now, I'll add 2 cups of grated coconut and mix all the ingredients in the recipe again. Grated coconut adds an amazing texture to the final result of the recipe. I'm sure you'll love it. Tell me if you have any recipes with grated coconut. I'd love to know and try them at home too. With the mixture fully prepared, I'll transfer it to a pre-greased glass baking dish. It should pour like this. If it does, it means the mixture is at the right consistency. Then, I'll spread the mixture very well and evenly across the glass baking dish. Once it's all ready, I'll put it in the oven at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. After this time, I'll slice a piece and serve it on a plate. I love making this recipe on Fridays. My spouse loves it and always asks me to make it again. The flavors of grated coconut and condensed milk together add so much to the texture of the recipe. I'm sure you'll be amazed by them. It's very quick and easy to prepare, so go ahead and make it to see how delicious it is. Make it at home and let me know how it turned out. I'll be so happy to hear that you made it and loved it too. Look how beautiful today's recipe is, and it's also very creamy and delicious. This recipe has already become a routine in my house, and I'm sure it will become one in yours too once you try it. Tell me if you have any recipes with condensed milk. I'd love to know.